Ever notice how what you give out comes back to you? Think of life as a game of boomerangs. Your thoughts, words, and actions always return to you with amazing accuracy. What you send out is exactly what you receive. Karma, in Sanskrit, means action or deed. It represents the principle of cause and effect, where one's actions, whether good or bad, will return to them in the future. In essence, the energy you put out into the world shapes your destiny. In everyday life, the law of karma is at play in ways we often overlook. Consider the simple act of kindness. When you help a colleague with a project or show patience with a friend, you are creating positive energy that tends to come back to you. This might manifest as someone offering you help when you're in need, or experiencing more harmonious relationships. Small acts of kindness not only improve the lives of others, but also cultivate a supportive and positive environment around you. On the flip side, negative actions and thoughts also have their repercussions. For instance, if you habitually speak negatively about others or engage in dishonest behavior, you'll likely find that trust and respect elude you. These negative energies create a cycle of distrust and negativity that can make achieving personal and professional goals more difficult. By becoming mindful of our actions and words and choosing to act with integrity and compassion, we can break this cycle and invite more positive experiences into our lives. To change our outcomes for the better, we can start by consciously aligning our actions with the principles of karma. This means practicing empathy, honesty, and generosity consistently. For example, if you wish to attract more opportunities, begin by being open and helpful to others in their pursuits. If you seek peace and contentment, cultivate a habit of gratitude and mindfulness in your daily life. By consciously shaping our actions and attitudes, we can harness the law of karma to create a more fulfilling and successful life. Desire is a powerful force that needs to be channeled correctly, or it can lead to chaos. In our daily lives, harnessing the energy of desire can be transformative. Start by setting clear, positive intentions for your goals. When you focus your desires on constructive outcomes, such as personal growth, helping others, or achieving meaningful milestones, you create a path towards success and fulfillment. For instance, if you desire professional advancement, align your actions with continuous learning and ethical behavior, attracting opportunities that match your aspiration. Moreover, practicing mindfulness can help in channeling your desires effectively. By being present and aware of your thoughts and emotions, you can ensure that your desires are not driven by fleeting impulses, but by genuine aspiration. This mindfulness allows you to distinguish between superficial wants and deeper needs, guiding you to invest your energy in pursuits that bring lasting satisfaction and harmony. Lastly, cultivating a supportive environment can amplify the positive impact of your desires. Surround yourself with people who inspire and encourage you, and engage in activities that align with your values and goals. This supportive network not only helps in keeping your desires focused on positive channels, but also provides the encouragement and resources needed to achieve them. By consciously directing your desires and fostering a nurturing environment, you can transform the potent force of desire into a source of personal and collective growth. To attain riches, one must first cultivate a mindset of abundance, as true wealth begins in the consciousness. Additionally, order is essential, as it is the foundation of a harmonious and prosperous life. In our everyday endeavors, cultivating a mindset of abundance is crucial for achieving wealth. When you believe in your worth and visualize success, you align your actions and decisions with prosperity. For instance, adopting positive affirmations and a grateful attitude can shift your perspective, allowing you to recognize and seize opportunities that lead to financial growth. This mental shift not only attracts wealth, but also fosters a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Orderliness is equally vital, as it lays the groundwork for a balanced and successful life. By organizing your environment, thoughts, and activities, you create a space where creativity and productivity can flourish. For example, maintaining a tidy workspace and a well-structured schedule can enhance your focus and efficiency, enabling you to achieve your goals more effectively. Orderliness extends to your financial habits as well. Managing your finances with discipline and clarity ensures stability and growth. To integrate these principles, start by envisioning the life you desire and acting as though it is already yours. Cultivate habits of gratitude, discipline, and organization in your daily routine. This alignment of thought and action not only attracts external success, but also brings inner peace and harmony. By being rich in consciousness and embracing order, you set the stage for a prosperous and fulfilling life. In summary, focus your desires on constructive outcomes, like personal growth and helping others, to create a path towards success and fulfillment. Surround yourself with encouraging people and activities that align with your goals, amplifying the positive impact of your desires. Believe in your worth and visualize success to align your actions with prosperity, attracting financial growth and fulfillment. Organize your environment, thoughts, and activities to enhance focus and efficiency, creating a balanced and successful life. Envision the life you desire and act as though it is already yours, practicing gratitude, discipline, and organization to attract external success and inner peace. By following these steps, you can transform your mindset and habits, paving the way for a prosperous and fulfilling life.